Are you looking for the best Amazon faucet accessories to buy? Look no further, because we've got the 10 most wanted Amazon faucet accessories listed for you in this video. But before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. The Amazon Echo has become a very successful device, and Amazon recently released 2 more follow-ups to the device, the Amazon Tap and the Echo Dot. While Amazon's 3 devices are different in their own right, the Amazon Tap is arguably the most unique thanks to its portable nature. The smart speaker runs on a battery, unlike the Echo and Dot, and you can take it wherever you want or use it in your home too. However, its portability comes with a compromise, namely the device doesn't support Alexa voice command to wake up. Instead, you have to press the microphone button on the Tap to start giving commands. That doesn't make the device any less capable though, as it packs all of Alexa's features, which means you can get news and weather details and control various lights and electronic devices. However, you can always do more with your Amazon Tap with a plethora of accessories available on Amazon that fit Alexa-enabled devices. So, if you've bought an Amazon Tap and are looking to improve its functionality, here are 10 cool Amazon Tap accessories you should buy. Number 1. Honda Sling Tap Cover, $19.99. The Amazon Tap is a pretty durable and good-looking device, but you can't take it for granted, right? In addition, the device is portable, so you can expect the device to find itself in difficult situations. Therefore, it is important to use a cover to protect the device against wear and tear, and the best way to do that than the official Amazon Sling cover. The Amazon Tap Sling cover is made of durable silicone and designed so that your tap is always protected from bumps and drops, while the buttons and ports are readily available to you. The cover is available in 6 beautiful colors: blue, green, magenta, and tangerine, along with the usual black and white. If you're looking for more covers, you should check out our list of the best Amazon Tap covers. Number 2. Philips Hue Starter Kit 2nd Generation, $79.99. The new Philips Hue 2nd Generation Starter Kit includes a pair of colored bulbs along with a Philips Hue bridge. The starter kit comes with increased brightness for the bulbs and additional storage in the bridge for added functionality. You can use Amazon Tap with the kit to dim the light, set timers and alarms, control lights, and automate it through Wink and Zigbee automation products. If you're looking for an alternative smart bulb, you can also check out LIFX. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Wireless Dimmer, $99.95. The Caseta Wireless Dimmer lets you use your Amazon Tap to control the lights, shades, and temperature of your devices. The wireless device even has buttons, so you can use it too. However, you can use Alexa to schedule your lights to come on at a specific time. The product also includes a smart bridge, which supports 50 devices, such as Serena remote control shades from Lutron, thermostats from Nest, Honeywell, and more. While the Lutron device is a great dimmer, if you're looking for something easy to control just through your Amazon Tap, you might want to check out the GE Z-Wave Smart Dimmer. Number 4. Wemo Light Switch, $44.03. If you're using an Amazon Tap, it's time to ditch the old switches around the house and get a Wemo Light Switch instead. You can use your Amazon Tap to program your lights and any other electrical gadgets to turn on via the Wemo switch. The switch even works with the Nest thermostat, plus it's super easy to set up, so what's not to like? If you have something against the Wemo, you can also check out TP-Link's Smart Light Switch. Number 5. TP-Link Smart Plug with Energy Monitoring, $39.99. The TP-Link Wi-Fi Smart Plug allows you to use your Amazon Tap to control electronic devices connected to the smart plug with ease. You can use Alexa to schedule devices to turn on or off at certain times. For example, you can schedule your plug-in lights to come on at sunset and turn off at sunrise. There is also an away mode when the plug automatically turns off the devices connected to it. In addition, the socket even controls the energy consumed by these devices. You can also check out Wemo's Insight Switch, which is a similar device that supports Amazon Tap. Number 6. Haiku Home Ceiling Fan, $475. Haiku's home ceiling fan isn't your regular ceiling fan, as it packs cool integrated LEDs with 16 different brightness settings that you can, of course, control with your Amazon Tap. It can also be scheduled to begin at particular times using Alexa. Aside from that, the fan's premium cost is justified by its Energy Star certification, exceptional construction, and excellent performance. Number 7. Amazon Tap User Guide, $8.95. The user guide may not be be a hardware accessory for your Amazon Tap, but it's still a valuable addition to your Amazon Tap. If you are new to the world of AI and Alexa, you must know all its features and tricks. The Amazon Tap User Guide provides an overview, troubleshooting for the Tap, and guidance on Alexa, Amazon Prime, and Amazon Music. Overall, it has you covered when it comes to all of Amazon Tap's capabilities. Number 8. Philips Hue Bloom, $49.97. The Philips Hue Bloom device lets you light up your room with beautiful, colorful lights, and as you must have guessed, you can control it with your Amazon Tap. You can set different colors, set alarms and timers, dim the lights, and do more through your voice through Alexa. However, the LED fixture requires you to have a Philips Hue bridge available with the starter kit to work. You can also check out other Philips products like the Hue Go and the Light Strip to beautifully light things up in your room. Number 9. Samsung SmartThings Hub 2nd Generation, $99.99. Samsung offers many smart home products, but we particularly like its SmartThings Hub, which lets you control many electronic devices via your Amazon Tap. You can control lights and control appliances like AC units, coffee machines, space heaters, and fans with Alexa. Also, you can buy other Samsung devices such as outlets to get details about your home appliances, motion sensors to get alerts when unexpected motion is detected, water leak sensors, multi-use sensors to get alerts if something moves, and arrival sensors, and control them all with the Hub. If you're looking for a hub other than Samsung's, the Wink Connected Home Hub is another great device. Number 10. Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd Gen, $249. We all know about the Nest Learning Thermostat, but if you're not, it's a home automation device that learns from you and optimizes your heating and cooling devices for a better fit while saving energy. And the good news is that it's compatible with Amazon Alexa devices, including the Amazon Tap. You can use your voice to control the temperatures of the heating and cooling systems in your home through the Nest thermostat. If you don't agree with Nest, you can try many alternative thermostats that work with Amazon Tap and Alexa like the Honeywell, Ecobee 3, and Sensi. 2-year protection plan plus accident protection for Amazon Tap, $34.99. The Amazon Tap may not be a very expensive device, but it's still a decent amount of money you're shelling out. Therefore, you should check out the SquareTrade Accident Protection and Protection Plan for Amazon Tap. The plan is compatible only if your tap is no more than 1 month old. You can make up to 3 claims during the device warranty time, and you will get a replacement device within 2 to 3 days if your claim is valid. SquareTrade also allows you to cancel the plan at any time, but the money will be fully refunded only if it is within the first 90 days of your purchase. There are options to purchase a 1, 2, or 3-year plan, but we'll recommend the 2-year plan because it's the cheapest. These amazing additions will increase the functionality of your Amazon Tap. The Amazon Tap is a very capable device, but if you plan to use it as a smart home device, you need a few accessories to go along with it. Also, the Amazon Tap's portability makes it the best candidate for a smart home device because you can control things remotely. So, if you're an Amazon Tap owner, check out the 10 cool Amazon Tap accessories mentioned in this video and let us know the one you plan to buy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about the 10 most wanted Amazon faucet accessories you should buy right now in the comment section below. Thank you.